We sapon. And the ideas of our time, bro. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 referee say no ten free sabre kopim say bebo enwumenu sia ye behwe ne abo wura ni nyina mu kama saa. And the videos of our time, you found too quickly. On Facebook right now. Dear one or young for Emerald. Now, one handkerchief at the amount. Papa, unya bisho botum sa, dia come up at the amount. So come on. It is say your botum and I say, baby, a product of Delta. I'm also a boy and pa. When a boy needing related problems in there, so a free now more most Monko Tonicate, Monko Health as well. Cadefonco Harry Pure Pharmacy 49. Dominion about powder. Yes, authority Akabumo introduce you. A special seal now, it means that some food product, no, family, especially women, go beauties, Edema Nataraj product or Ghana. Yes, I make a video no one so much as usual. Roll cock across the Antoine is welcome, Brad Jerry. And Bell Ray. Bell Ray once again says, yeah, looking good. Zana, Dino Arabi Wubo, Essie, Osman Brad Jerry. Hope you're doing good. Yes, by his grace. Facebook. And then my catch was at Dajino, a dreamer would day, you know. A rather sad. You know, we are not in this situation. Na on iodine. If I try the Wabra Facebook, join your Facebook 106.3 FM on Facebook. Real dream. Na min tramfo ni fine but sebeye na said the bia mekano oba it's patro Adom 106.3. It's a very short video and unima there all recorded and the church services be brave you okro sorry or particular church be e bia watu kwan at their Facebook live churches be yebi and ebinum so recorded unhunu just say omo e ho bi and e beka ho asem a ba we dey and nam so a yensa kan video we bi the woman say it was a church service phone a say or Casas, we know, Numuna no, Minkus a senate you. Into some way, lady prayer, so now, o lidinano. Or cut off, no, nothing so for Edda form. Other pastors in Kumane, Castle from Bahunamonica crack, and come almost a dream say, Bia, whom Kunkune, or down for some time, cry until they need to attend to him. Obiano kind of bet me and fast wako. How do we differentiate people around? Say bia young fan say form so elders to a different assembly and obemanya you know preaching near there. Now all leading empire war no. Who say maybe if young part oye na the oye there we there yes and so more dreams say oh we there hum still my connection is about time. Now when they realize I don't know, I'm confused. Honestly, yeah. How? Oh yeah, I'm okay sponsors ni bi pa ewo omukrum. But me problem then say sometimes you can be led by the spirit and but at which point person how so yan kwaya nim and the videos of our time e dey bro no JK my Ghana emu. And they not stationary products are holding in A4 People Street close to Christ Embassy away North Industrial 125999. Nah. Come on. And to Uncle Pimson. Your guest is with me in the studios and married to a very now son and my cow said nay Mamadi I come home. Yes, wait me any achedi pie come home. Abraham with up to 100 gift must be yeah bet me our business connect series every Zoom with details available will be our guest this Friday the 20 COVID era to take your business to the next level. That's a free Saturday copying the 31st of March 2021. The very best on your Go TV. We are talking about mouth-watering local drama series. I hold on. Not fair banner sports on our various channels. Not fair sweeter the My Go TV app. Pay by the I get Goyle saying can't you say handling money. You're providing me now. And then our fuel attendant. I face a sneezy and our coffee. I can use and go card no. Bring you now or because on transactions in now so you be required to present handle transactions now in a safe and secure manner. Now your friend be room divider. Put him in your room divider next year. Now room divider be crowd drinks in the dear be cat. Yes, your friends a Paris bowls a then day. Papa Bizan say ama. That's how plate for and calling now for now unze ebu ha be question no. Am no kan no wie so they are decorating room divider no say relax say in front to anim. Hwe o say relax yes you. And then ubetimi asan hye. Na wahwie de agu eyese e form. Enti nyesa fe na awie no koto tin na oh na obete ano na wahwie de agu so still provide air nutrients na wohia na. Hye. Na sign up promote optimally. Cerelac 350 gram, no more problem. This special guest with me in the studio today. Friend is good. I'm saying, nice. Me too, can I? And Hamza. Nah, more Francois to an answer. Ebi obi ni patro mon journey of. Obi on more because waki can be as anymore na waki can it means something and now obi to no ti
brother we dey minchia atiefo
want na yin vie pe
eh enso me gidi se oba ma dia me ma hwe asu ehunu se mi so aminyi no ma me mo ma wo fo ba de so no nko bi na e kire me kwapim twi ye kotena keep ko se brofo ya de a na eta so na me fre ade pa na me nya ehunu ade na me no by class 3 no I tap into Greek mythology inti the American say you amen ko na me sa what will how be tia nti sabre na me sua the American can me sana de nti brother ade bi me de mani see no so wole show yin kaso me na so me kaso me yonko nti ma twom sani ma na me ni ma na me mani je ho kwa maka chom say most of the one who anya bibi amfa na ensi so a e kire ni ho anim nti me hunu ne say na e ba ne se no tumi ma me ye nipa mu a ene metumi itumi de wo ko osum bi mu nipa obe de obe ye nipa mu
nana mama mbra what is this said you also perfectly well when you are using this guy knows what he's about. What I say? No. Wait, let me say wait there. How do you?
Santi tree, fancy. Some saying na me kadea.
Yeah.
I thought there be a me ko am kind of French one bed. Unya ka unipa. Nti oto boye vie friend audience say. Okay, obi free media on. Me come in. Nti Rebecca.
All right. Okay. Nti party acquire several drinks ya man for party guest here we then na wo kade acho. Okay. Any fan say Akufa do birthday party na say.
Me.
Hey. Rapani.
Nti go video.
Usiatio, I said this is not rehearsed.
Your pair you nya they stand out from the rest. And so unyansa dodo ni menyansa dodo ye kabo ye fam bon sotro. E de ensa to nsa yin odi kan ye di na chia na adwobre o esi ye de bo mu entumi anya tintin so ye fa o chimman de she kron tan fentem frem Kristo ono e no di yin free ye na ye
wow
mama gano disika pudu
wow because onim se me be ka say onye bibi that's good entino ye fa no say like we na then
that close na just the news some go
enti say obi ho no mo a ne de na yi ase de nko specialize wo wo de no wo
partner ra ho person obi chichi ne red the frame ever
wow
chiefs in this country I said all four president that yen perform
do now chess ade no na wo nko fa no
I'm a student of literature
and if someone how do they go about it
branch 020-255 or 0544 NUBD sanity
mo ye niam bi atise no they are very goes into it but Ghana ha say na
we ni pa ho adwuma sabi emfa wade pa ento be call for you may full time and means a home for so and I casa and tea. Yeah, a home for so. Yeah, so be a bit to me as sorry, Janakasa. And so, why the castle navy and as I say, the castle navy, I be just you say, as soon as you or Preno, San Identity, would be an idea.
Maybe if there was an event to be, and I may pass it through, but not me, names all. Tiafi me hu yan se abodi afi ko na eba ya say wa bokola ni ade kedentuma bi na branch gina na start here urade afi ho na to obi pay attention obi etia ni ade a say kofu bi ameni om gina wo ekiro say Charlie, this guy he dey run power, the guy is good o, the sa no mo kan, the guy is good o, the guy is good o. So o ko baby e performing. How do you see, or how do you find out say adia me ye dear a strong crop for ye ni dear me kan ye dear attach your man? I mean there are times they be akoya DBS and ko ye bi e wa adress already jama
be ya wo adress be it's supposed to be na tone sa frɛ nti abibia me hwe nipa na tone sa frɛ bibia me bisa na se me nua misrɛ adia na wo hwehwe on saka so nana we dey hide edim ebi won so be hwe no bi krafidie keto bi a ya no o check videos yeah so you to meet na so share ade we yeah
I say o access so hware
eni be bi so ansa na ye be ko stage no ye hwehwe enye ni nyina na ye to me hwehwe so ye to me hwehwe ye to me cause kofi ye kai we nyina de na kire se ade na ye na ade afa abre so a oni nipa se be oni nipa na kasa on ati ono o hwe on nim e bi ama friend so mo mo ameni anto nyumi o hwe e bi on de odel na eto
no response na ade no
right from your audience response you know that this is going super.
Wow. I wish you could go on and so na edwuma egumi so earlier na wo ka say at the tail end no obehwe na enipa bi ni mo say show appreciation to them, and me that thing there I endorse that part because 24 kai yes nam edua so na homa ye den ehu so it is a bibini na say one show appreciation and a hardring na omo aboa in this journey said the shas any baby abidumi kai the last time I me be fie no you mentioned some professors bi no we and I'm say hey
omo ba
me kai professor ba kuna you know that man na yete no me nim say or professor you know that boy you to am na tell me what say o person na and I'm say hey wow and you more that opportunity na omo person show appreciation to them.
Right? First and foremost, my dad is late, my biggest mentor in this life, Mr. Kwakudio Yinka, I'm from the Crency, Mrs. Esther Yinka, my mommy or woman, or your mofo and Mishuma Suman and one say Jenny, your family Elder Dr. Kosimreku, Voice of the Lord Evangelical Church. That's my church. My church truly appreciates me and has been so supportive.
Wow.
I'd like to thank our manager now, Sally Tope. Let's thank Annie Osabute. Annie has been amazing. Professor Kofi Anidobo and the Department of English University of Ghana. Let me say thank you to Ashmula.
Yeah.
If I performed for 9 years, Kofi has been with me for 5.
Wow.
Kofi has been here.
Wow.
Selassie, Daphne, the rest of Sabula Incorporated, Mental Pictures, the whole crew. Shalilo. I can't go on. People have been amazing.
Yeah.
So to me, now Bruni Dimo.
Yeah. Amen. Yeah, that also has to say bye. But finally, before I'll be calling me, Pacho, once again, number no nafi because they're very important for me. What by the we free our coupons a few months. I'm quite so no more free
020-255-3200 and 0544-848-724.
Okay. Nana ye anka woko basi sia na aba mitrim. Sabre ikura ya ye de no. Ye bre sesen ke di tuonfo. Usually minya guest bi mu amu so sa dimpacho under 2 minutes. Eden asem e na obetimi e de amagana fo nyina na ye de atu yonfo na wie wo Ofie Kwanso medie so.
Yesi owo kran ade a nkwantu menje. Nso na nasa se senkwa de a ye de nyansa ene bo ho ba.
Wow.
Enti wiase nyina yese pese tane butu enema ni esesa. Nanso we den a emre mu odin beba. Nanso nipa ye ho odin etena se che esemre mu odin. Den ye be ya asam ye be boy ho ban. Na Ghana Omaya Namidia Mayen atumi agina na ebidu say COVID-19 betwemu akoi ebegu so atenase anaso amaso ne yebetena yenso yebetumi na atena yie misrew ya kire ndi wosi kata ohini ohronsa sabio ya muyetrim penia muyetrim ne kansa ne menyina last year cholera sote papa sane ma yetumi yie ntintim pacho onkwa no eye ba ko pe
good
esi obanyanza fo ebuni de
nkana sema
pacho peni company sem atwana sesem we eye abondin sem Ghana sem sansu yen sesem
amen I love that part
mami medo
amen na o say penisem ne
adwese company sem mofra betwana sem mofra bi di penisem mpeni bi nso di
all right, so that was Nana Sase. Da fufuro bi emi ne be san borem. Sa etimi akoso a. Eti wasan e de afutu aman pacho yen hwe hu yie na ehihye ampanifo de aman se ni su na na moye ho ban fie COVID-19 no. Ye ni so na antimi moye ho ban. Ye fast da my proud sponsors no quickly na yen trust me man real fise Scott. And so it's on standby. Yeah, they around the world in 5 minutes. Trust my door master and Pubiman paint the Pumpacho Buremu na ebeje quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Come on, probably me enjoy between 5 and 10% discount on our quality doors. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. The endorsement ranging from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, any kind of door be on here, biano. You got it. Oba painter from Munswa. And they the shares from Kudiaba. At the institutions, outdoor churches, schools, offices, government institutions, and individuals in yes, a paint. Never paint you or Diana now project for na yen spread them on etuan kakra our bra interest be anti-HD. Euro standard paint no range from acrylic to emulsion to enamel to road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, and paint accessories. How do you know? Benya ediafia swear. Obe we cha kwan ewo Pobiman toll booth one on the Accra Kumasi highway. In fact, say ujina Pobiman toll booth wa wani etua shop no emu. Obetimi afre 0542 745 222 and afre 050 021 2447. Na ye dinko mas na di from MTN. And they also from the 2nd of April 2021. Abibia will call Momo joint be as a for me transaction just a show valid national ID card and yes sir yet me mau and yes sir transaction. Yeah, you way to protect you. Wakoswa I receive cash in a safe and secure manner. Ewa bro how be a MHA. That's why we good together. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Afe and what you know young fast day you know Emma Time Herbal Center almost so day time herbal mixture API time herbal mixture no the woman say eboa treat malaria fever timpacho say malaria chope kai time herbal mixture ebetu ase wa appetite akoni na besan baba ko honam ayo bo ni na obese gina na so yi wo pese healing process no ye faster na amansa ka KNG herbal capsules ni bi na wo de awo no eno ye for general well-being ebema ho asisi ho so ntempa na epacho ubenya bia to Kings Walk Herbal, Repash Ventures, Ray Jones and Zidos Herbal ni na kanshi drug lane. I feel called Echoes Pharmacy, By Class, Larry, and with Dema Pharmacy ni na wa Shamana. Ubenya bia to Tribe of Judah Kaswa, Pharma Trust, Ewo Wija Junction. And yes, our phrase 0244 417 669. Na also wait me near Dinkomo. Na yahwe mwa ibetimi ede aboa na onsa ka yen product ahodo enyina ebi abuja ye to aso akwanim na ye kwanim dia na no around the world in 5 minutes with Sas Cuts. Baba Sas Cuts
Bra Jerry
Sas Cuts
Bra Jerry
yo bibia boko de
nyame adom afio papa.
Oh, just one day, be.
Na man day. Yeah, you are go for Bradley.
Akwaba.
Yeah, ni abrape.
Sir, bibia boko.
Dia kani uko ka kire hwan.
Ebeyi.
Ya kani uko ka kire hwan.
Ya meti asi bibia be fine stretch. Why? Na anadia na ekro.
Brother in some doso. Nanso no unza mre no ko. Mre no kopa. Ba brother unim. Embema omonsa ye adwuma a wo mutimi emia nofo ye. Omune embema omunim the difference between today's bread and tomorrow's bread. Oh yeah. And I research be amaya no den pa. Oh, Jai. Today's bread and tomorrow's omunim the difference between the two pa.
Iti buda de achesore buda ne de fresh. When the timichiri wo.
Yeah. Me pa cho ka kire man say. Aya woman tie in shavy because anya be me bia na pe bushmeat.
Okay. And also
So what you say
there? Enkodu enkan kese.
Me na also be Gradually Runim say if money were to grow on trees, some women will have married monkeys.
Oh
yeah.
Say be na adwen bitimi akwotete amano.
Yeah. I'm serious, pa.
Okay.
Gradually, I was wondering why the groom sits at the right and the bride sits at the left.
Na
Mekai.
Ubi say mu no mo say.
Mekai accounting school. Income is on the right and expenses is on the left.
Okay. Okay. The peba one the best spend on.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it.
Gradually, yanko Singapore. Record be a PO ha no adene.
Singapore.
Man, I'm catching up.
Assemble NSU.
Gradually. When him say man be a set a record, only 57 women are died within 24 hours.
What say?
Yeah. Man be a set a record. Only 57 women are died within 24 hours.
One day.
Yeah.
And only a man 50 57.
Man we did 34 years. Now when him first person or no year, you know. Ono na our Czech Republic inti mawe ana ababitu no our Singapore and our baby.
Na Czech Republic ni no age na saying.
No age na say 34 or say 24
in a day.
And a man we are in 57. It is our record no. Obi enu a we break it for now.
But is it possible?
Oh. A record all. As say I will your Bob mine abasopa na nya Ghana. Yeah, bona basopa, enya asem ketwa Bradgery.
This is strange.
Bradgery, New Zealand. Who say me the almost stories about Embrebi. Now when you say 10 years ago, a earthquake be AC, baby I from Christchurch. Emma nipa ewu ye 185. Now my memorial service at the Kaisa and Crofui because and that was exactly 10 years as some year then. So they were just remembering them and not is soon one more bush and for a famous woman not a year is soon any idea. Brother US president the DNA thing.
Fufu Joe Biden.
Biden. Okay.
Now I
said I be kind of Biden.
Joe
Biden. Or say or percent color a war USA everything is school by April.
I'm now called school by April,
but no, I someone what can't or not, and no, and addition I will USA because say whether they are ready or they are not ready. I say almost the one because if they do April now, you are not just still on the Tiana way, and ya dear Sadiano, okay. Bradley, remember best or you see, my main car some me no be the mention. Bradley oba bia ne no fusa o sanbo brazier yenche no
oba ne no fusa
o sanbo brazier yenche no
sesenti.
How can you cage something which is trying to grow? How can you cage something which is trying to grow?
I don't know what hard dreams are.
What's it?
I don't know how hard dreams are.
That be I have some na maker. Bradley I say echi wo mo na Bradley uni ma dia ba ko ma maker we na so
ne for to say ne di ni sha
say enye wo for ba so e de ni tra obehia bra na wase ase tube se den na wase ase atale ni wa ade et sala
obi o ha o jane sa won feel comfortable.
Oh Bradley, you are caging something which is trying to grow. Money space, money need.
Yes boss.
Yes
yate
Bradley. Obane round them why na ho se wada As a officer over a panty. Now, so I know so I don't know. I should that Chiano Honka Krama. I wanna you have made it in life. You have made it in life, my brother.
Kruno Hono, Bukroni Dina Quatna, and then the way you are doing. And you are so great. And
your friend KJB. Your friend KJB.
Duka. No way, JB.
Rajery. Yeah. The dangerous thing I be in here when I brabo. Ayoba. Gel Capel. That just said 30% denya. You bet me.
Sorry, Kawai. Yami ya do watch now. Then they bomb now through they know they ground. That's so great. FM. Now we're getting ready to bring you irrigated sports. But before that, Memo will be a casa 1 minute. Now we're casa 1 minute. Okay, immune boom 2 minutes. In the meantime, let me roll this one for you. Ras Abdullah Awudu. Ras Abu. You know, say you love this one, you know. Asha Mali. Twin City Mafia. Me talk about. Yeah, man. Roll it.
Twin City Mafia. Twin City Mafia. Twin City Mafia.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Twin City Mafia. Twin City Mafia. What you gonna do? Come back, we got it in a rubber dub style, yeah. Come back, we got it in a rubber dub style, yeah. Sugar and spice. Come back, we got it in a rubber dub style.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Twin City Mafia. Shasha Mali say so.
Style, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Come on, you got it in a rubber style, yeah. Hey. Show back. Show back. Show back. Show back. Show back.
This is the story of my
Childhood days. Oh.
childhood days.
Second it and cry there.
Childhood It all started way back home in this.
Now hold on with that story. Hold on with that story. Yes, I have one Rasta man in the building and one not so Rasta man accompanying him. You know. Okay, Kofi, Akwaba,
Enya Jerry.
Bibia boko there.
You heard them.
Tigo,
Jerry,
Bibia de ye.
Charlie, I want to be complaining.
But I say complaining because I say misconceptions no add also too much.
And also,
Or ne say we say. Na me tie mu a would say e bi no madwin say.
tell me, me buy the coming.
Oh there. Oh yeah, me say question. Bi no madwin say vaccine dey. We are dey what say ya tell so. Now, nyame adom a ejebo ochra e na e ba so. Na ya clear doubt e wa manfo adwin mu na vaccine aba bedru no. Ye hu kwan a ye be fa so a ye kodi bie ni ade. E hu komote sen nyame ya adom ochra.
Yo Jerry, that's it. Na edi kan no. Ye na yen ka bi hye mu na covid ede ne ho ebeji mu. Na wo hwe a nipa abra boy basa.
No kre.
Ebusuafo ahwere adofo. Masi ya hye ye de kase Jerry.
Atete sem sa.
Me je di se wangasa.
Hyemena me ye dwumu a me breye.
Na wo de fo abosan na wo sane edin. Enti ye nyina ye bompa ye se wo na edrom mra ne ye ho to ye nyenkoye. Afe nyame ya adom. Edro no enya bedu. Edro aba. Edro iba ya. Afe de ho nsem bebre. Ebi se wo wa na wo be poti se kraman. E na wo wa na wo kasa nsisi so. Eku mema sabi ye meme. Nsem
Honde mo de fa opanya de amema no be wo.
Ensem wo.
Moka say bekum za ade na.
Na Ghana for so
I want that.
Atisem ne doso. Atisem ne doso.
But omo ankasa na omo ye mistake. From the initial ina yes e banana. Ke so moka say eduro ne side effect ne say unya ewo wie pe na o ayi we no e ma utimi eye adwuma che. So we be anka by now kasa. Ka won now wa kasa.
Jerry, sir, obisu your own say utie audios na bi eba abontin na obisu awobi ma ono so ne be manage na so kama obisu so awobi ma ono so sese ni na ya tesem
Yeah.
enti no Adom 106.3
Yeah.
any Adom TV and in fact this is the first COVID vaccine conversation in Can.
Yeah.
Ghana ha nyina
Ya de hihye so.
Na ye pese etiefo Ghana fo ye din komo ne to fom boko cause uko krom na bisa na me nwo mpenifo ne nwansa na me nwo enti be koso ahye mas na ekosi daben enti no ye pese ye de nkomobo no ahye so ochina
Okay.
na obi ate ne ho ase ene se na obeti nkomo na se no enye de wahwe no radio so a wahwe no TV so social media enkrofo eka ena wo de be yatesem we de ye ni ekukudan woni a wabene ewo nimdie ewo science ene ye ni omo tenase a doctor for virologist for ene ye ni omo tenase na nokra wo mu ne se omo no mo yi omo yam se omo be ka nokra bi ewo mu akire
yen ti ochina de no kura ni na be dead nyesa e very important pa say obi abe make date nyame ya adom ochina sa no pa 8 oh na yetimi etie bi le me ne China fo bi o meet bi na me ka chom say emergency bi aba so hwinsi me pesa de be pa pesa ochina me akasa mitimi tie ni na from start to finish na me ye sure say na tie answer mitimi aka chom so me fa hye da fro
tie e me ka nche ni o tie be ka chere no ntumi nka ne ye ka ne pepepe enti wo abomodin a say wo betie show no ochina pa free 8 o'clock kosi 10 o'clock no wankasa tie de wo betie ase afa bia no fetu wo hu enfa nkotu obi fu dabi wati na fa bo bra
local health sector na yewo medical practitioners association the rep eba
sure
Ghana Health Service the director general nankasa eba when me say covid ba ye ni odi communication any mankasa ye kojo opon the neighbor ye the Food and Drugs Authority omo no mo hwehwe ma authorizing vaccines na ye de ba ye di omupenyi nankasa si na me bidakon ye the neighbor na nti say obi a e fa ne ho bia no
omo a e ka se mpunu no ka hye no wo mu na no na
conversation ne there and ye pesa e be say omo be feedi and with ne wo omo adwen nti questions bia public ne wo bia
no
omo the fire so a ye the be mo
sure
and of course ye je questions so free independent scientists so well omo ye critique omo criticize
okay
omo so ye be mo akwanya mo bisa to the minutest details are e won sem nim
no betimi apuli out a lot e dia bana
so ne kasa ne so se na be obi abete ne ho ase
great
enti o chana pa na de e free 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock ne de ye be shire tie fo se
omo make it date
dia wo ye bia wo de
live on Adom FM on Adom TV ebia bibi ntumi nya kwantie for two channels in your social media platforms ni na no wo de follow yen na wo be hu de ko ne de ba nyina so say sa my de mo yen to Twin City Mafia no so ai Twin City Mafia na ne to aso no
Simon always remember you. Can you understand what reggae music is all about?
Shadow days make me feel like a mafia.
What you gonna do? Come on, in a road of style, yeah.
Come on, in a road of style, yeah. Better say I can't say when you say games to do on the room and your football pet. It's now you acquire one way and they introduce more games now. They are by a platform no so. Yeah, bet me I bet on. Now, who we need so you get paid instantly via mobile money or EFT to your bank. So visit www.bestway.com.gh to play today. Remember to bet responsibly. No under 18. Betway for the love of the game. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
on the roadside.
And killing lizard for nothing at all.
Chasing and killing lizards for no reason.
Oh man.
Many days. I remember swimming the ocean. With good old friends I cannot forget in my life. Westwood Primary School, Old Hospital,
Yeah, man.
St. John's School, Equasi, Ketiakro, Secondary Bacano,
Yanko Zika for Manchester.
Escaro, Secondary Zongo, Jendupa, Bakechila Diambra, Kuma, Fiafanta Hospital, TVLC, and new site, before runabout. I'm a specimen, sick of a mantam.
Number 1, number 2.
How about you, Beach Road?
Hey, tell me one thing.
Embassy Hotel, Reverend Charlie Sound, Solo.
Now you can ABI enjoy with TV, view, on our flat screen HD TV. I also say clear, I'm about him say quality, bet me and 5 times better than the standard definition. And once of the mount Saka yet the new HD Plus decoder. We are here so causes on TV, Mount Sanka, the new HD Plus decoder from the nearest authorized dealer and now any Electroland showroom nationwide. Now I enjoy the feely experience on your HD TV like never before. Phrase 0242 439 872 for further details. Nation Society say Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Edifu Frabeshim, your friend of Royal Drinks, your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. We know any of the perfect flavors are here now. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. Royal Drinks, you could like them. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. Open the door for 0262 351 251 and after 0272 133 373. I'm sure Brana so young more now young fire irrigated sports and twaso. Na young koyenim. Ben there. I am saying you my catch was and you may wufia and a dose of power. But you're burning now. Pepe, be crankum. Qua copims and wins everybody. Now, you're proper chin. It's 24 gas on your query.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Safo.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
Great. Offer.
The open program one denisham fast sports one tie irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba.
Akumejo so.
Empom to say.
Trade upon Adom yatimpo anu die. As I'm very man you gunu.
If you are be fine. Kobri.
Your friend Kojo.
Mama name. Na bibia ba ko de.
Oba de adaroma, bibia de dey. Na man ba ko de wa mo.
Man ba ko de ne.
De ni din da program so.
Oh, masa.
Ade.
Now.
Oh, yeah, you know that.
Ade. Yeah. It's when the camo cause
the payment.
Oh,
that's where you found. Continue you got to make sure you for one case.
It's what the camo crowd there was.
we come free. Then the pictures be a bad about 2 teams will see so a guy pa.
Oh, now have money here. Or Bob Rasta crash and the pump.
na ne rasa ba ko tse to abedi die ni bi
so na wo Germany wo
utimi se German burger na o de ba ko bitia da
wa yi ba ko afa nchen
abobra na u really feel it is a bankisi
if I don't scan was sida papa tena mu
oh yes
no say just space I'll bet me nanti to fie
na nam ho
woni wo ha
tian mu de
na bi de woni compound only house o no compound no house kwa
say di omo ye ne say eni no omu si omu nya compound omu nya duanua no no moto tax ntin so to ana yira fa
omu nya tax ko bu ha obi an fence re ti dan foforo sa hye ho na kan no omu nya kroma tax no kasa no ne ayifo no odi ade compound ni nyina afa a je to nya ba bi kura pon wa stretch
me ka say Sofia ni pe ho kura nurunum
ya ha ya ho kaka kwaku ideally ka unya be 2 rooms cry ye
ebeyi
na do akanya ada compound
ebeyi ebeyi
ayi enra alphabet here they say trendy chrome early must can say
na bi me fa confess we ntu nchen ba bi ye masa o de ka wi ana ya to me nya ma dwen se be boss ko na me say me nya ma dwen se ya fan pa ba bi ntu mo so sa na ade a that munya police no munya mo adwuma de mo ko no enya se ye raid ze akwachire omo ye sa ade ni bi no edan no current ye no ho na issue aba enti na omo ka
ya so omo ko no mo hwihwi afa wo so
ende maza munya omo asem
no mo meeting no omo ko
munya to se enkrofo yi enya hint bi asa na project for them yes se ni po nyi we nyina wo fie we mu ya ko nya ntimi enya ba akokora je se no wo ja nan eja na nan
aha tio omo ko na omo wo ho omo ye meeting na omo nyina fie omo tie no
omo de se police for the people no mo se no pali hwihwi
no na se omo ye adwuma ho na staff wo ho
na staff wo ko
staff wo no mo ko to na
nya problem ba ko se eni oge ya wi oge si ye office o ada no fi office na ma obi ya wi oge si ye office
ya omo video bi aba wo hu entimi nyine ha
de ese ho no eno na papa bills person dey a che na so da bi sa na mam sa de ya on fan kire me mempe
eno ko na me ba yira mba be
we boss no untimi
papa bills dey adam se papa no still what be romani answer me hwa nam se da mempe sa
no yare na wo ho
kokobo
na we nya kokobo
we so se nya kokobo
yes won ya say ne to we say won diwo afrusa ni ya sa na ayesa
ayesa
eye
port ya kuku sadi ano ne tie no sana kwande na no na ye na apu ayepufuza
o ya say ne to wana na ka ibi cheme o say ayi pastor bi so no flight bi na o say guy bi tin nchen na guy no kakra bi na wa sorry ko washroom o flight ni kakra bi na wa sorry ko do na man bi say o yo okay na ba na o hwe man no so ano ubiza man say na o ye dey we doctor na so no so dey bi o ye sofo no so and o ye sofo dey o be kana se mo a kire na obre na o hwe so betimi abo na o ka kire nso sa de bi na o de no ko hye mu ana sese ba bi adu no o gine ho anti o tena se check akra bi pa ade na ho na bie eti o tena se ka check akra bi pe na enema pese isane ba eti na kakra bi ade so ko washroom no obra we ye
ko eti videos ni ade na mu a se prosifo akọ ayetoto adan mu
mu fa munya mu life mo munya mu life mo
dada ni na omo wo ho
omo meeting
and then wo ho mo ayeso ma meeting we akura bi mu no bia ni ade
munya mu life mo munya mu life
ade we mi hu ne se aye order from above
enye order from above ya
enye above say na do ho above say a free Europe ni America
masa obi anim the genesis of this thing that munya kwame mesi muntwa so we ade yi muntwa so eye Deborah Akosua Jedua Amoa o say na ye ne grandmother birthday Mrs Joyce Owusua Amoa owo Akotia GCD enti ye we hye ma me na happy birthday nyame ma ne kwatente na ommo no ba
ku so bon petrum dia me COVID-19
ye kan ko edia pa na efese bema
enya o kan chima kama be
de ofenye obi fe
wo hwanso so wo hwanso sa no aboso powder so emro fo me se powder
kwaku ayese iya brofo yi twi o wontwi bia wonim ne
o masa hwi
we de enye no
na ehye pieto no musa wo ni wonya nko ho ko na ehye pieto no fita sa na se bo ho a Who's our share or Pajana? You and your son.
Former president Ekai Jekufo. Also, I said in Yamia Bush, Ghana for Maudu to Undo Brown or Penny. Now, whose son was said, Unia. Oi, what's the COVID? COVID is right. Maria never be able to be.
When you was
and to Munyami and COVID, was a COVID as a night.
So now we're going out to one as a
matter of choice. Idea. Yeah, both rock confidence and same. Kwaku unza COVID iba ya no da bia mekasa Africa for. The first developing country are developing, but the pace at which Africa is developing too slow. Kwaku, you got to my point. We are developing all right, but the pace is just too slow.
I actually didn't
it's not tell you too boko. Kwaku, you say brofo na ma yenye yie no me fa yenkwa, fine omo ko say. Ghana, yeah, Bruce 2 years. Nigeria, and a bebro, because Benin, other places, only call a dada. I could be seen as a corona bayano. Yeah, Chaya brofo, no smart here, shall we? Made in Ghana, made in Ghana, made in China,
made in Ghana. Latest from phone.
What away,
Mr. Media, me box. Latest phone. This is a product from latest phone Ghana.
One once in a year,
and I may say media Ghana. With this is made in Ghana.
But don't want to talk. Every China never nose mask. Vaccine Abba.
Abedu
600,000.
Yeah, they be
COVID-19 vaccines are landed. Na da bia wo se medi kan ka say ye ka say the first the entire from Ampanire first lady ni say ni kunu na first man.
First gentleman.
Say bia ba krum anaka ye duro ba ko pe.
Onne de be.
Na bia se nyina be say ya ono ye man anom. No atrance. That is the first man of the republic. Enti enya me mama say mpani no opani na be born first. Enti ye say the opani press house bia no ka na beti aya kanti. Just say duro ba. Chebiano, yeah, Metrino. I will want in the court now, because Rosa space, I bet down. Yeah, the agenda surgery. The way Yado. When you're doing so all about Copen one,
I'll bet take you 2 doses, first dose, second dose.
I said, hepatitis, the young hepatitis 3. I did 3 doses.
What will be that?
I will be there.
I will be there. I'm off will be agreeing you. I will be there. Ebenezer Dakuntibu. You know, the dead they say, Musi. I would then you'll be there. Munya Kwanya says, I am multi-cancer.
Why are you forcing your test on other people? That's what they like.
Where we COVID?
COVID no. Penny medical war. What we are about to ask why they are Ghana for. Now, I need some cram in them and say, maybe a toy drone there, see the wall. Then she was so bonny be about swap.
And compensation mood.
That is
a compensation is a mood.
I don't know what translate you grab a
oh,
I'm the compensation.
Compensation when you do it. I would eat you.
And see, opening baby, I told you the other day, you know what's in some characters say impo. You whatever want to be. I never tell the customer. Kete ma twa
nyam tachire mamu
ya ba hwe
de adwuma na
ko tia na hwe e ni jesem obani wo hwe Ghana population na sa number we aba no kwaku enuru ba bia
endu hwe
as we number so ahwe
enuru ba 600,000 asat out of Ghana population you saying
your 30 million
30 million
bi gu achire
eno kura bi gu achire because ha census de nyani yie ya ba ni abusa o mo ya hina bo ha obu o ka se ba gene tax o se etre so mo ye 18 we are more than even the number we have 600,000 there. It's not enough, but it's a step in the right direction.
Say any first African country
obi anya bi nti we say 600 ye bo mampani we a na de aka no ye wa mahefo kwa say free yes say free
ye kan amanfo bi be fa nyoma se so moko ho abankurase o abanse ye mewo mo nso na ban so ma no akobu su aguade Ghana ni de enso amanfo
that is what I want the media to be doing.
Tie ochna enkomo no enkrofo tie a onbehu how it will be done near Deni na the other channel anopa 8. You just have to listen to Adom FM. That's all.
I say Adom FM 4 afasa de na bo bo. Omo yes adwuma no. Na aban mani si Adom FM anko a. Ono kasa kora fa ne hunyim. On fa sika kase enhyem because say yan che nipa na sia ye be credo na ba amna be ye ka.
Ye be ye ka.
Enne Adom kro ya ekokro ma bo so kan. Aye busa nipa se. Yes, I do not bow.
Wine be one now, wine what?
Nunum, Medesa. Now,
what is 70 beer a disheartening?
A botisempa.
What I say, Obisa your precursor, I don't have no vaccine. Now I got club when you vaccine.
I can't say.
Now, 600,000 year ben, papa. Yet the woman penning in Crawford. I feel you are crack. I would get you. I'm away of cause I say you. I was so can you when you were no cause I say you. Let me see. Or see. 600,000 with you, papa.
In the Argentina, Obia DNA and your bed trumpet and
who were also watching TV.
What's on the party team?
I said, well, what to tell you to be a fine. I know you're not. And I think it's a free. So I know, I'll buy another one.
I can't tell
you. Just say me if you
so I shall be Oko social media. Misinformation was one and not Ghana for GD.
I'm telling you, I don't need to follow Pope.
Once will be any amateur, but you know what to the atom. Now, for Yanni, my woman, TV. Now, when him so for be or not so for be preachy or social media. Yeah, you know, radio station, come modding. And I will be up on you or the COVID in the boy. The voice is Michael Jackson.
And yes, the Mammy churches I didn't. Who's a me post your crowd? More. Michael Jackson nyum dada na sa Beijing nyum na wo na ena according to the information I gathered no omu yusu sa nyum no
lyrics no no
omo de covid ade be hye mu a no mo de create COVID-19 awareness ade bia ena so bi ti radio bi so wo ye ni preaching no se hwe de abofu ye na 95 ton Michael Jackson ye nyum yi na COVID-19 wo mu ni ade anti wo mu ni mu ade ndada bra se the so for the card ye na wo ye no mi wa ade so ye no pressa na nkrofo ni followers ni ade bia which is not like what he's saying enti sanya man se bibi bana unimu a unimu kosi asia don't just go and then be posting stuff on your social media platforms na ade na nkrofo this trip situation at this time no so one more ni an na hwa amanfo be ma wankasa kra bedu hu amanfo be ma wankasa kra bedu hu
we no be a video me wa Canada ha omba wo mi bi na paniere era ma ha is small boy one change da
kafuka be do bonifika osema wo paniere be nyama kusuka sasa wose
enso obwa
bonifika o
na za bro fu omudi ngwa asem
I take my first dose
ebi di ngwa asem pa
nothing has happened to us okasa ono ti was
abofo na ebi di ngwa asem o ebi di ngwa asem pa obeka say
media
eso na me ken de o ken na obwa
menya bia me wo pa kasi bi ko tua kra
on teda enso obeka say o
na momuti we mo pe kwa wo kwako Mr Convention mo pe se mo ko mo pe pu akọ mo a mo pe beach homo wo mo pe se mo kokọ ogbechocho fo pe se mo ko festivals how do central obi apeso ko bi na wa anwo ama ya de na ama fo mo ye be da bia mo bi akọ
Obri is the only way out the vaccine is the only way out
intimidate na ya microphobia tutu futura gu yania ko di me say ya microphone ne bi wa broche mo ka sa ma che se de yesi gidi wo ha no mitime twiri ho a menti ase tete oba ni kuta no kese
first ka so bi from Russia ba do be ka bi etu do be ka bi na because ultimi ko honko so what listen
sabe na wunyina nsa na kwede nkora nyina akọ nti na obi nso obi so
sabe se kwa the internet intimate ya mitime ya koso e to kwaku ya nse kana fo so obi anya botre
we see no wo didi akire a ena me ken wa hwe yi kro be ma ayeyi me posti picture bi enye picture video that make us say enye bibia obroni kan bia na no kwanti say the abrofo ni bi kan na say no nye ni na unim say obroni guy no what ho and say ene ofele board why board
obeye bibia atum
enti why board no obeye bibia atum no and no akwakoto gift flowers and flowers no dey akoma ni neighbor and na watro so amani watro card no so say oh I miss you and na what neighbor ni dey also I miss you na never say wa I miss you Obri and I know kiss no and na on dey akoma ni neighbor no and na ono ase abetra bontina o tie de cause on neighbor and dem na dey and neighbor no wife no say by now the wife is mad at him. I was bored. Why yes, I just to create confusion. And I calling the wife no say just a who cheat. Oh, they are media to Instagram. Because I say what would you or feel bored with you. So such people or the info be better than I could hear. Maza. Wow.
Ye di offenam na sibensu nam sijaso. House of folk. I get a sports run you no. House of folk. Some make us say that could be a resignation firm. Oh, change. That could be a bakunam. Someone do you say baku free one and moving the idea Sunday and I'm the best you. Say almost supporters or chairman or your board member. No. My friend say Hesse Heyman.
Yeah, Heyman.
Or Dampton. Was this already board no? Why you don't have free?
Oh. Oh, so up a baby.
About on free team.
Tune and I saw him in
board and dear. Now, board you don't swap and I trump him free.
Now, only my house, Jerry. You know my air come some din so has colors no use you.
Be
therefore, is a
good phone call. LGBT for say lesbians count.
LGBT no I don't
Rainbow colors here.
LGBT no Baku rainbow no every nice color be a rainbow.
And I make it say go for now when you know what I say plus na bottle on crowd no has che say the a bad musa on aboanye and now need bia na beko you the opese oye bia no plus na touch you
this is yes a more distance mo ya madwen se boni omo enemy bia
in existence before
masa
what I say it enye the colors ni ba wi say dey be adopt rainbow colors keke
mon distance mon distance mo free one mo ho mon kan kire wo se mo ni wo ni hwe ya
pani one pama you know
oh Noah
it's only to we you know abwa no ko take flowers no de ba no na nyankoto ato sata me ante house of folk
me ante e na me che se microphone ba so mo de ye mo fe ne mo de no se na crop ya de o mo so mo mpe ne mo de no nti no ansem distance mo ho ka chem se ba ya nom ye nim ho hwi o
e ba to me distance me ho ma house of folk ti me nyam togo betimi akasa e na me kasa
e se de togbe dia
kwaku na wo ka wife ne husband asemi papa ya asemi a
akwana wakoyesa no
ai kwaku we de
kwesi o
serious case o dey share say e wo media to Instagram wo dey ko share wa setija wa suja to fi o pa e no he o tiri ba bi na o ti no he o ti so mo ya say hey
the one got another one on so oba wo
de wa ko okay
we dey on ni kunu na e na ni kunu hu say na yire na asese say de o slay too much oba wa fo no pictures ni ade odi ku social media no ano odin ono no akọ na yire wo say me mawura o mo say obi a woni freedom but o pictures we dey ano odin eti yi e ma no ye ntokwa so oba no anyi obobu eska no ano koto very expensive phone da bia na o twa pictures ibi o ye duane kora no a na o twa pictures
o twa
na opusi
wan je madwen kire ho if you kitu mu a
aza o say eti o ho na
me hu say oba no problem
o say o ho na adamfo ba ko no so wa brochire aka cha ne se wo hunu ke bi wo Ghana ha na ni je ne ho na o person ka ne ho asem ma no ana so on sane sa oba no picture
o se akwa no kori no school no ne nya free o
da bi wo so ne nya fine the class but no ne nya fine it akwa no sane number no and picture no ba na ye ne yire no a number and the picture
da bi wo se akwa no e ka kire ne say there's this lady I want meeting no.
That's what I'm saying.
Na
o person
on ne kan ware ho sem na o ntino o dey ayo be send the picture man na o mo akire man hwe say girl ni bibia e cooler o send by a ni the picture no dey abai ni ade no ti o boy chi o se begin no dream say bia joke bia na bibi ni ade no o steam kakra later na o say okay ye say ade a ono so enye eyi kakra mo akire hwe no hu di etuam and a creative fake account at the boy che say on your banner or banker chance on will be saying oh Charlie how are you how be things or so introducing oh so are you single or married no but so are you single you're not married no I'm single no so I am interested no but so okay and on any kind I'm power band so na dream man So I just said utim so open for business.
Yeah.
That's why I just said Nikuru Bejano.
It will be a pen or bepen so.
There be only any crew over Korea, but was you couldn't go Yano.
Nadia, Biza was you Nikuru.
There be couldn't Yano.
Hey, serious.
Kwaku say oba esi obi na se na niji no ho a what I say bibia no bit me si ni kwan ma ye me ma no ya for say ye hard e wo my side impo we yire ehun be ma foforo I just say be ma foforo no na obi na ni yie no hu say oba yi yes apa dia
no but the fact is that say oba ka say obedi wewu a eye kitikiti eye kitikiti obetimi a wrong fine for years you never find out. What I say? But Bema de unya ya sisi ya.
So am I lucky? Am de no uwie a first job kura no a ukoye second job a ense dan eni symptoms bia.
Money now.
Babu, de yani so nyu. Unya police onya say PT. Ba ye ni obri. Say wo yire sa wa be. No hwe yie. Na oge yi ko ye o se doso na
obafia
na yiri se fa to so a ba so ga wani be bu afi
hon ye just hon u chire mu anu no
akwa no se ka bi ko to e gaskala pompi
e bo se ana basa was anti me para me ka fra se
o ba se o cha se be ma kokwa so ba na se ne yire efieru anso se onko kwan so a den won
enya bete enti me wani bebre no mo de abufuo o mo ni so abufuo
ma be no gidigidi na se
obi enu bofuo yes
obeda bi eja
what you say no se na asem bi atwem kwalo wasa kofa ba
but o kira oba no de owie na no
de no ni so onyu ntubu o pia water kwada ne bag mu we na ko wasu mu aboni so onyu
na oba no bebo ni so onyu san se
no nerves o mo de nerves
o de winshi adanjuma no mbida
dabi so onyu ni kana pa no ana
danjuma no mbida no boni so onyu kura ko na nsa danjuma
obari adjuma no ma ya chele me
wa ya chena danjuma ti sa microphone yi
yi de wo free nya mama so ni si danjuma ti sa microphone fa pia water wo free mo na fa bono ko sa ko aketo ya wo foforo
danjuma dia no ahonte de atete
ja danjuma sam no
ko ntiro onya danjuma no kwaku ade wa kwala ade no so
na meka
danjuma me
ja danjuma azam
danjuma no oyemum obobo oyemum fo odi oyemum na ti afa chelo jibile meka chelo na ono radio uchala wonti
oyemum
ono so nine obo
tie den a obewram
ospa number 5 na ze peja bo no kosura ono mienu behura kosura besi fom na wo no o to fom 30 minutes answer brade te kokura
ai obi ade a obi sam ya me say we Ghana ha ya no obi so di achinye say by force face mask na ehye mnifi China eti Ghana for cry me ankasa na me to ade and me say this is a product from latest from Ghana. Latest from for why? No your product. It is their product.
Okay, but
say baby Kroma from latest from for.
But we are buying
party.
If importing more masks than we are producing.
I am not saying say we are not importing some. From the beginning, every mask was imported. But now you are starting producing that is all I'm saying. And me say Ghana then a metal. I don't even want the one from China. Enti we my top me on the boxes me o fie o try me tin atan box back dey aba and you see it
me dey me tom traffic
how be hu say latest phone for ya Trump proudly made in Ghana latest phone for na
we consider
we mama me ya bet craft free Ghana there but I mean it's in order let's do this let's promote made in Ghana
me wo asem kese bi amede na manwumre na yenko Facebook ni yenko hwa brand bi
okay
ha se mi anodene Abrantia no de wa nyambrasem a wadie no nipa ni nchini nipa ni sa nyambrasem no trans ni
on Facebook no so
wadi ko Facebook live your friend Lawrence Paul Anderson wanya 42 years je ko odi ato ho ya tie fo mama me Abrantia ni ho fe pa na asisi nwini ya ye nchiri wanwi sa se rasta na no yo se die ni na unim obi a wone no etiben ni neighbor wakuno neighbor no oba a 41 years Anderson akunu wakunu wie ndio yeye ene oyi na koma no ono aye
okun ni neighbor no
oba o
ada no pena na
na hwa ko na ni mo ali dio yi
no pe oba na
opa no bay se na fa ni tirimu se
wenanim
yasem keto o no anya no nko ampo no anyambrasem nko wadie no no
otu na akoma no wie no ende
ana ono aye na ja otwitwa na kama oba fefefe oba ni nie na da ne nche
oba ne picture ne da ho
oba ne picture ne da ho no fefefe na oku ni wie no ono akoma na otwitwa potatoes kama no ode ono so de serve ne ma ne wofa ana ono ne wofa ase
wofa ne wofa ase
ne nana nipa miensa
oche na me ma o
to am no mu ebobo obi awi bi whisky ni ade ko mu wie ye no no sa ti si won so
osa kunkum mu nyana
ko mu kan
yo fa ne nana no eni na yi ni nyana
ne ofa ase ne ofa
ne ofa enti we ne family people ne wa no enti ne ofa no ene ne ofa ase ne picture so na eda ho ase o ketwa
brochire wa ho hopen we
Oklahoma ne see
America de nyam ngam
wo de hopen e besisi ebisisi a anopai we nsu wante ayi akwai ono so so okada wafa okada no owie ya wa koku okada rider no akosie no wuram ene wafa okada no
wasie no wuram
wante ene
to okada nti usie onyonko
ene no so broken heart asemu ya ye kan abrantie so boy ya won so o girl say o person concentrate ntino o jai ntino yempe baabi obi yempe baabi mfa no yenya broken heart bi ye de tre fie su ya wakokuno wako twejato oba no fie mu ama wa hye on na busu afama se oba no sister pani kra awu ama omo kan na preprom condition mu terrible ya ba ya ne so on pani bi mu no
ko twejato abusu afie
o so doge no duru ntina woni se omde ne ko court no o so no mum de omde ne ko dam fie ahe kra no ba kra still oba ne de ono
no peno washi mabusu afie awie
enti
Anderson bani
ya tie fo mra me hwe Anderson oda ho na nanim so sese Ghana ni
ana me ke wo za wo hwe nanim a
fa ko enu bia Black na do na Ghana fo
nice guy
Rihanna say wo hwe na mama say di chem so girl
timi kum ni pa yi akoma na wanoa na ye kan wo se brocha na besi no nya Ghana ha ne ye wona kwabrane se wona oba kokufu koko no aduru bra
sa story ni say mete ye na makoma cry me ya
otwa oba ne no ko twa koko
sha kokufu ni nya tugu ye
kwaku say da bia me ka say many are
Sandra Somwa happy birthday to you
many are
Sandra Somwa
only few are roaming
ya misha na onyo kama
akara bi na omone na maye hu omo na kwaku asem no say akara so folk mate dia ko si anaya kind of yegina na so ayesi akan den
mo she
hazo folk abi ni wa
mi bisa mi de men ka mo wi bisa
me na me na one
ya she has one
has a one
oh every nanye
asi o say yeah
say ya asi winning Liberty one
o say ai
kwa masade e wonti
Liberty na obi a
Karen of no mo mani mo asisa
wabrem na yi pa
wabrem mo she obi a
o yire ho
wo she wan
just for ka she na da nyame asa
last week wo she wan Liberty wo she wan
yen pe
dia bi bisa wa onyi ma no wo she wan
coach eni ho ya assistant coach adi eja ho ama afa kura de supporters union kura mpani for kura say o ma resign from board and so still we are still winning the match
na team papa be na mo she
sa how ya to ye yes don pa kura twa man sa we atamo sakrama botre onya ye
meze team papa be na mo she
no we eto akotokwa ka by now e bi akotokwa gu there are two house of folk yi
eh kura bia Liberty nke show mo for
and so ya sa kura di share goals eto kwa kumi more players no abaso
okay
I mean can share house of folk supporters say obi anya botre no ontamu kuchu de nyame beye no no na ogusu akoye no asofo so ye be wini nyame bi
asofo be
ada wudi kruma no to share come say has be wini
yeah cry never say die
no say die for
o say
never say die for
o ga say dey number wini onye we ya oh dear be
ko kuliko ya
oh ye we ya o rafi
my ye ligo ya
onye we ya
Dabi naza de ashegu
asaba ku de nye wini
sure
kwaku
never say die for
anoma ayi ya say hwan chinchi a onyabewo
wadua
chinchi onyabewo
akojine ni so
sa ba yo ya akojine ni so na je wadine ni so ni say okodwudwuma ho say obe Pedro e de akoye ne boyfriend na boy no ado ono nko a na say osusu say boy no ehunu e ma foforo bi enti okoye no na dwudwuma ne ka che ne se obeda shrine ho na se ahomache ombe minister aduro bi ewo na kwesue kuma mu na de onya de koduru fie na be ma ne di wo mu se so
waka
be di anko asi
lockment
nti no oni problem we na ote ase se obeda shrine ho nti ahomache ni mu na shrine no ba ko ka ho na sesa pada sanko for kwa ya mo ho ye bahisi akọ
pada go akọ
sama sanko no I said, so for which a producer so for some okay, but to preach on.
No, auntie, never say that for.
Kwaku, and confirm you no actually about your reput say full from Sika, put do as I want 2.9 million Sika anymore, but not so. Kampala sama making, and also so Uganda Kampala.
Yeah, 1 year for.
Or my discarding in a free about the outside, I reput intense. Na bibisa se kwaku se woni be ma bi wo ho na fo se o chitia the best thing is we could do ana juju betimi aboa o
juju be na boa
wasa sa be na nyama ni na no
jidie na onipa ne nya na ye kobu no wonim se bisi almighty gaso a lady or accountant our company bi
o accountant for person apa we say accountant
na auditors ba be audit no. At the same time, the guy on the person, the guy in Jay. And a jaw cover you be free keep special cast. To all Bana said dollars is good bag, not one of Juman who said a one. For Kugano. Juman Fasicano. Kuno Fasicana.
Oh, Quadia Druno.
I drew one to me and Yasham again, or Kuno, a Fasicano.
Yeah, so,
but actually for and you're careful, just as you say, no, we are saying people are looking for different means to make money.
And idea
we I'm going to Facebook. There be
a now me say me person me can are you for no be ba sa malam for ne hwan for na
could be a friend na
yeah Facebook ayi pe no mo so de omo de abeto ka kire nkofo na omo so de live e kra no no a
yeah bobo na
omo se nkofo ba ho behwe program na ya no omo de abeto I am hwan if you want to be this day call me then if you want to get some granny
ba ko frame me I'm a far phone. And I'll say, or the Oya Drew.
Me about send DM on
Instagram.
Send me near my baby. That if I want to be great, if I want to know, now go.
I say, I saw a boy. And I'm saying, more Ben or say, and then I'm saying, this car me pay. And I'll say, when me pesca, and I'm so.
Uni ada de chenza o biska.
Oh, because the permission of the income. I say, yeah, we have 20,000 kramamia. I know, some from the next day say, me sending 4,000. Or my GCB account number say, me sending 4,000. Now, on Fanco and Ramia never do
the. Oh, 20,000.
I remember 4,000. And I make a chance say, any malam. Would you 20,000? We are for 4,000. No,
there would have 20 now, so the Bamino. Why you know we are for 10,000
4,000 now once it's taken account no so account number and I was here no now on send them on go some because we dia grana and I'm so customers me dia grana sansan fun we free for
business o ka se dia grana
o abo do ma no mo hwe wade no so abetemu diga
anya fe
so
na tia we ni ma bi o
they get people
yes
it was that city wa and obi ba ha say akọ ayi siga gari for you am ya siga free ni
na so ba ha be sunda bia
okita abronoma
on ba ni mu be sunda bia
abronoma e chef what ticket to box mu say on ne ma ne ko to na e ko no ya say abronoma dey pay move color am say hey abronoma move there una ko ko no na say na akwaro o kana say me ma sama o ka on this Vodafone ejuma na wa credit na maskara fa ne so yo
ti o pedi akosa na
credit skara fa ne so no na ne girlfriend
what this ka no
girlfriend e ma na kwante say onko skabi o bi ano na go mo ama no to no ka say 13 million or 13 million
anka o de ko take kan so bi kura nka be bo
for 13 million o sa ko bo be sia ka 13 no say o be double eti how me tell masa me satam kwa me ba ho mache me ba sem pa no botutu o na me tell say me sorry ho mache be me fie wa me beduru ha en kra ha no eti do buska ka me di me first pay me nya duma bi o me do bu kwa
o ma ya no mo kwase en do bu muska mo no o sem ka o mo jiskari o mo san bu o mo ka ho se ni pa no ko e ka se o mfa ni pa mra nyem ko din pa be ko
are you that desperate
oni pa be ko
am ya jiskara man
are you that desperate say
oni pa be ko
na kwaku
oh my desperate
woman when you do mine. You have to think. Human beings as we are no. Now go on problem you want see me so woman you. As say we use one dream.
Anyways.
Oh na kwa na me ba me aduane bia me di bia chepa me nya bi dia kurukuri.
Kuri. Ayi tia bi no.
Tia nkate ya jai. Kurukuri.
Favorite. Because you know. Se me boto ni husa.
Bubum. Na jeje.
Because I draw some map o mata de ni. So why you na wo no. Na draw some map. Na o mata de ni.
The crew madam bia no ton bia na me na corona mbo no.
Na wo wi kurukuri.
Wia na kurukuri nanim. Se me ko se me ono te kitchen e wo ya aduane. E na ade nso si ntwono mu ho. Woto tomatoes ne kobi ne momone ne sa nyoma no. Ti dru ha madam me to kurukuri si bi na first karato ho. Ti mi ya amasa fam coins no. Na me de ko happen so no so amanfo beto be coins be bregu ho. Ti bi ko na me ko wia wode no de ho edi bo tre bi na bomu black no. Na no mo di bomu. Ti me wia 5 minutes time. Madam me to kurukuri o si bi na fa coins ne to.
What's that?
Another day.
Oh, Abrantia Suarez.
And I mean, we are my films.
Osina kan Barcelona. And I say Ofie wa odi akopiem wo Atletico Madrid. I want to go say no wash. Na o de Chelsea Barcelona for eya ni amon hu bi kire no eya ni ya part extent say. Ya nya de. Omo ye bold e ka tell say ono wa ya kwakra ono Suarez no wa ye oluman. The high profile matches bi okra no a ontimi emo. Ya nya de. O say no hu obufu okra aka ho. Na odi free team ni mko.
Basa ya nya de.
Na Suarez na ya kwakra. Anybody e Black Stars.
But that Black Stars players no kwa na nyi say Suarez. Obi any hot on Suarez.
Suarez when you bo o ko se to come we bo awon.
Well, okay for me.
What you say?
Basa de.
But all the chance onyi no amade man yo kaso na ni ji onyi ni ho.
No, all Basa.
Mame wrong. I'm for Eddie Amo to gum kakra na yen to. Birthdays in Dawson. Happy birthday. Enko Emma, the one and only multimedia wife. Hey, sir. Mama Tess of Nungwa. Odo, we love you and cherish you. Have a very wonderful day from all multimedia men. Hey. Any omode aka ho yen kan we bi said someone is send by
oh okay
eh aya ko yi utia omode spirit afa utina no sa spirit bi eni bi wo ho anya ya wo
eni na ya
ade ti ese ni na ya
me na sen kura de muza me dimi nyimpo
wo se se wa
sa de ayi de
akwa bi for me asema ko no wa ya no ni
shipa Shishipa.
Fatu wana tie for him. Man ikwaku okoyi ni ti.
Akwana onu ase ne odware preko. Na se de baba ne ye na ye bufu.
Na baba yi emie enso gu ne so na se enso nko na afa de ma fa wan ka.
E no onu ase ne guji.
Se la baba yi da so emie enso gu ni ti.
E no ro na ta.
Ro na ta se ne ye nware preko. Ko twere ku salu ho kra.
Akwana.
De na baba ne ye de menti ase.
No nti baba na se.
Wa fa de iza, wa for sa de ka sen.
Edi kakra wi ye.
O de odware preko. Still na baba ne sa de guji bi mu.
Ya akwana.
E wa no se kire. Ororo na ta de ni na na.
Barber shop na wa ko jade.
Odware ne ho preko.
Got the way.
Sa de ya sa de na shisa.
Yo.
Especially say we need to tune kakra ne dey out pa.
We try dan card ne dey with effect no. I know dey fa.
Okay, happy birthday to Mr. Abdulaziz Jeswuni, staff of Technical Examinations Unit of the Ghana Education Service and final year law student of the Central University of Central University Law Faculty. And I'm always show happy birthday.
Na sunsumo because what you ko we sky e beti match na.
And there's a man your bad imu asem na person. Asem na come. Okay T. Na za ono a.
Ghana na mtuma ni hwe wiase a. Sike Google banks. Teach America, Dubai, China, Kuwait, Singapore, Switzerland. Say Switzerland you Keska. Yeah, World Bank. World Bank. The whole world.
World Bank.
Too many na me dem ream na me ko fa Switzerland won na me hwe be ria sika nyina egu dollars ni euro ni pounds a. Me free my caba na me bofo ma na ma TSC. E dem wo say.
Ade akwaro. Para ti for that's right.
E wo me TSC dem wo no obi ya anya dey.
Enio.
Obi ya ni dem wo to send a damn way, the sick and tatao. Nami want me both not have any bomb, Obi any demo. Security crana or Wabon, where who's a mayor, oh, Raho, only where was a new Raho. Between Pakisika, you see, I'm a packet, I am.
Me knew the old chair. And nipa Nana say Chris Wado, ne birthday. Na ne sweetheart actually become a kama bipa. I say my premium Cupid. Happy birthday. Thanks for being an amazing partner. You sure deserve to be appreciated every day for your selfless you. Your faith in God inspires me. Keep it up. And I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Enjoy every moment and keep soaring high on all levels, because divine abundance is your key for the next stage, or for your next stage. I love you. Endless. My favorite gentleman. My forever. Hey. Nice, Chris. What do you do? Happy birthday to you, Joe. Radio Tuesday. Enjoy your day, Minia.
And because what will be on Ubetia, they will say, Ube here drew another Unia drew. The way never said, Obri, said, we will be a Ubetia post-it, and that's Unia post-it. I'm running here.
More, I say, and Memma said, Montown Famano. Montown Famano. Was it more chances of getting a prostate cancer? I was ropa. Say. Sex. Untanya sex frequencies. Okay. Was it one prostate cancer? Maybe parents. Was it Bema? I travel to me piano. I was so much me sano and prema kumaku eduno. Times. And I was a Bosume.
Bosume. Hey, Ade. Bosume, what do you do?
And yes, I researching.
Me, I'm a down my day. Bosume, Ade.
Release 20 times.
Oh, that's a.
I said, one she crano, Kusi.
There we go.
She best and produce.
Head being meet me, Saturday to meet me meeting times in a month.
20 times over to you.
Oh, Debbie.
20 times in a month.
How many?
Oh, Debbie. 30 days. In a month.
20. Oh, Debbie. But Obi will have a crabble.
We are back. Okay, 21 times in a month. And a month near Sunday 30 days. Ube to me, but that day, one shot, Uber be few better because Punim, you do a day down chain, so we will grab 3-4 days, 5 days, grana, on for some kind. A bus up and I can't know.
One day I see
I don't know boys.
No, because we try to 5 days back, and so there a couple of you.
March. Okay, you made my work room and you have a match. You bet you be
the target with you.
You might do it. One go find those that
back CD.
To be ready up a pen and a patrol. Oh, mean to. Oh, they are one market. That we are the better. In the room. As I why make my best.
Oh, we are matching half.
15.
Najuma we no.
Najuma you made it. Press a good pass okay, happy birthday and Mami Penny, aka MP, material seller, away. You if you been do can change or senior me on shop. Now I feel happy birthday, Uncle. Don't pia hima of the Ekrapim.
Dompia.
So okay, any me fan foforo. Me fan foforo, ye fan frisro. Eti happy birthday to Jacinta Dompia hima of the Ekrapim from Carl and Erica. Owom pesika. Owom pesika. Okay, we love you. Yeah, trust go any be more here. Reto bomb dear Vensi wana. And No. I say this coming Sunday will be my birthday. Will be the birthday of my lovely wife, aka Shayu, in the United States of America. Wishing her happy birthday in advance. Also greetings to my family in Akwete Makra. We bless muntem papa. So also Sunday. Wednesday. We bless muntem.
Kwaku say ka sembi na we dey short one.
Yes, also.
I mean for no sorry so. Asama sitane ka me ni so no ya adwen a.
Honestly, if marriage certificate can expire like driver's license, wallahi, most men will not renew it.
Status now on the way out.
Most men. Most men.
You could renew now. Okay. I also put it to her say. A member be so krom here. Marriage certificate expire, but either so 5 years, 10 years, almost sign a renew vows. Almost get no man, almost sign no it's your person so say.
Fine girl.
Oh, Jai. Or a fine guy, answer fine boys. No, so remember my a man's all my dream. Only in the case no can Bella Tunkrabia from Sisian. Also wishing you, my dearest daddy, Theophilus Kweku Nati, a joyous 70th birthday. Thank you for your ever-present love, support, and directions that have helped in shaping my world. May God continue to protect and bless you for me. From we need then C/ is it inspector? I think the best. C+ there be a inspector. INSPR. Me sure say be sir. It be a chief inspector. C inspector here. So be chief inspector Mrs. Stella Dade Jakpasu Tema Police ena Ubutu.
When I'm sorry to the fan check see ma me nua ba Ruby Ajman. Our Kellen, Texas.
Okay.
No, Makola African shop. And I feel so K03 of K03 Limited.
Kwakuna yeko yentu for ase beef bi asan sorry ba o.
Beef bi mama.
Beef bi ba. Black eye. Beef bi san ba my one no beef no ba ko bi bobo ba.
The beef sir.
Anya wo beef ya. Beef ya ba ko bi. Me dem mo bi adin.
How to be more than the other baby?
Now, go on the other.
Who's Ranka Oka?
Yes,
okay. Back they are buying so free black eye off. Or say Hana Poma, Reading, United Kingdom. Or say God has added a year to your age, and that 24th year or birthday. Hana Poma, happy birthday to you. And may God bless you. From Black Eye.
Maba wani bia yo madwene se ze omunya bibia amfanye competition ti wo mu nufu no a na mo de competition.
Opani de mo wi ase bibia wo bia no.
Omonye ho we he.
Enti we wade nam krom no we dress wade nam krom.
We video nyina.
We na oye o chame kwa me ye ko yi.
Ode nufu aba se de.
Ade na pompi say.
First kwa na nufu so ase ni futa braba na yesre wo. Se de wo boa.
Ashema o.
Mami ya afra.
Akuma ansema.
Mami ya afra.
Ansema.
Mo so nko ya pon.
Ani mami bi wo mi area mi kuro ya fra mami ya afra. Ono nufu no to fa chisi na kwara na nu no.
Bi mu dia so pa.
George Mbiase happy birthday. Enko Emma special auntie Ophelia Goleku from your siblings, nephews, nieces, grannies. We love you. And pray for good health and long life. God bless you and make His light shine upon you always.
Well, good na mention na say ambo for J. Amen kan jenza de ni bi ni.
Say obeso chese de openi bi ni yeza.
De ni bi ni, ma me bi we ko totobi.
Eye. Mo so nko na me kra na mo titi say kra. Okay. Happy birthday so Enkoma Mrs. Gloria Tinkrai. Wishing you God's blessings, long life and good health as well from Stella Mensa. Bethborough ono no mo akwanya no na watimi adiska agubotom etipa chobomodin say obehye no so kama na enei emane mpa ho hye no say wo up to 400 cedis in free bet no so no ubetimi a bet no wasan edie na bet bro Ghana ema best odds and a free office na wasan enya akwanya so ubetimi secure winnings before the final whistle wasan wo cash out option so etachiri edecount so visit betborrow.com.gh/promotions today for more amazing offers. Sport is our passion. Betting is our sport. Na wahwe no aye no responsibly undi 18 hwe na one bet bi no ho share down no. In boost about measure police in edo no. Eso na dey ebo an watimi agina brane. Immune system no ahode mapa ebebam na atimi fight against every disease bia kama e dey amount ni nyina na se obepi bi akira kwan na aboa wo ne bo so ye dey available pharmacy shops near herbal shops P na Moko Kings Walk Herbal Ecos Pharmacy Widama Pharmacy Tribe of Judah Pharmacy BO alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country Afi Health Alert Shop at St. John's and I'll call Little George Health Shop at Tema Community 5 and so I'll be maybe at yes our friend 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496 Royal Drinks or see you go like them Royal Apple, Royal Cooler, as well as Royal Orange and a Royal Cocktail. We don't any the perfect flavors now we here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many different flavors. Now they are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. Kaination is away another quality product if you Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Operadua, phrase 0262 351 251 and 0272 133-373. And they Nokia and all the Android smartphones pina abedwaso. Ya man for toguswa. It's say a phones papa. The woman in say ya man more megapixels. Ya nuntino ultra pictures ni videos are quality ones pa beautiful ones and na onsa etimi eka. Ni nyina actually no long lasting batteries and so and science YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other apps no. Very well. Your Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4, 2.4, they want 32 gig and they want 64 gig and so I can't hold Tianwa PB extra coin now. Ebebo yipa. How do any chim? May I hold a tonton phones or my fana baby? Ubejabi, Upim or Doko traffic light, Georgia phones, also Remeses or being or best or two come up. Nokia, it just keeps getting better. I feel first day your Emma a Go TV. Yeah, nay, or more fantastic offer. If you sabi copy the 31st of March, Nina say. Obabenya a Gold TV Max at a discounted price of 60 Ghana cedis only. Not mean your enjoyment that lasts longer. We are talking about mouth-watering local dramas on Rock GH, African Magic Cafe, spicy hot telenovelas from Star Life, and international, series. Nina, go ede amawo na bano sports and so there and sports channels. Ibibri na actually na ejina mu ha obetimi ahwebie na movies no so etatato na mofra no so no sweetest shows awodo ni na no wo hwe ni na bi enso ewo hono ti bomoden aso betwa tum abra use my Go TV app pay by the agent and now best send the SMS there call 1731 na onso ya simi asort Go TV love it eno eho enkomo kakra ya etachiri nso no eno no na me pacho tie wei na ebomoden a ehye no so emame na eno so ade a ebetimi abo yipa enei obomoden ama onsaka the new Samsung S21 series EBA obetimi anya achede bibi to say free phone cover Galaxy Buds Pro or Live, and the most talked about Galaxy Smart Tag free screen replacement from accidental damage. Any achedi pina etechri. Timomodia say winning phone now here and built to embrace the future with 5G and its revolutionary camera with up to 180 megapixels of high, super high resolution. It may capture unforgettable moments. She also said gift must be claimed on Samsung members. Terms and conditions apply. They are available. Or phone shops are all in Mutino, Ubu Remua. Monsonsa, ebetimi account there na where you should be bia akoyi e the amount. Uzo wuti Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Now earlier me can be kakra e the trail e the far Cerelac ehon. Ya ni nyina ne se ene no akonya abeda ho the amount. Say or Cerelac 400 gram 10 no. Some mu a men tontwene wo de fato ne twen na akokru mu a enei Cerelac wheat 350 gram pouch no and as a pillow pack there no very affordable pa 2 ton the befia no be 2 gu tin num they be gu Cerelac kunkunum na say wasan ton from wash no ma nesi fie na wotima nkola ni din kakra wo pani na so kon da na wan ron bi now they call ni mu very affordable convenient na it provide all the key nutrients now here now talk about iron, vitamin A, B and D, zinc, iodine. Nina, ye betimi supporting normal cognitive function. Na fe so aboa promote optimum growth and development at their mama friends. So go on and grab your value pack at any retail shop near you. Cerelac 350 gram, more for less. Sankra tui FBI muhwemu agya to say emuye na how be answer any HD. You better ask akwem na enchi bia na ye ne sister Sandy be a guy abowrem na yahwe said ye beye eniema afa. In the meantime, a happy birthday enko Emma Henrietta na day Mensa or regional visibility Accra regional visibility of the Ghana Police Service. Wishing you a happy birthday to you today, and we pray say nyame be koso ehira na waton kwanem wama ho den pomden kama pa. All right, yeah, mo boy ho na fi yemfa fila entrasoma 106.3 FM.
You be Go TV Lite, Value or Plus subscriber? Time it rule. So be unlock it to me with TV no more. Upgrade the Go TV Max and Nenyano at a discounted price, 60 Ghana CDC pay. You will enjoy over 50 local and international channels for less. No darling cry. Local series, telenovelas, blockbusters, sports, any kids channels for baby. Make you stay connected via my Go TV app and any pay-by-the agent near you. Now enjoy maximum entertainment for Go TV Max for less. Offer day from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&C supply. Go TV. Love it. Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kanwasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browse, woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi aswa nedem. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Ginaso and is a Ginaso. Share when you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. NTG Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory, and our Nokia 2.4, they were 32 gig memory, and our 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 were 30 megapixel back camera, and a 5 megapixel front camera. There were 4,500 milliamp battery, 6.5 inch screen. There were Android 10, what to be upgraded called Android 11. To Nokia phone ya, were full show BI bell.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng. Refuse to grow, and your offense swabek. And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Sasa dear, a month for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing you know, a way of buying every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Moma who are deep in tea. Yawamuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you are Maymu Babia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Crack to Imaja to Musay.
Hey, me network in Bafiame. I was sending me the mobile money. See me with our Keska. Charges some 380 cedis. Who send this can go charges on? Wait, dear, some $10 so. Miniati. So we move work of Vodafone cash and can we service Cabebre. Vodafone cash. That's me network need dear. Who send this car was our network and also. Yet, who send this car free with network and also aqua network for front. And also yet, name Tia some dead depa. Who send this car with Vodafone cash swap? Free. Who send this car free Vodafone cash? Aqua network be swap and also you free. Masa into work catch me. What that's so you then was our network and also move for bra Vodafone cash says yeah. Hey, Masa, you chip not to ball a musia. I know say dear. Who send this car with Vodafone cash so aqua network be swap and you free. Send this car do be and prend do be aqua network be so free. Dial star 110 has says yeah in the send this car.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Valentine season way 14 in number yedi way or drop no bia was Samsung. But Galaxy A12 memory home pre no free 64GB kosi 128GB. A 14 cedis pay. A free summer year kosi 28 February. So Galaxy A12 64GB for 14 cedis peso so. Nenya Galaxy A12 128GB. Ane utin year pa. Ye peja internal memory no every 64GB. Ako 128GB. Netia 14 Ghana cedis pay. I say, usimi we die. Your don't was Samsung. Now lucky number no. 14. Kwajo with Samsung Galaxy A12 and a year. Ya more rain not with double memory. 14 cedis pay. And she say kakra wo ho. Otopia ni hwa to say enado. Opia so ntumi emmo wo ho ban se nya wa wo beye. Ebo samre yi pa ni hia say ye boye ma ho ban efi bi biara ebetumi ama mo ayare. Enuti na ye di iron, ni vitamin C, any D. Aka ni do ho a ebo abo omo ho ban. Ma wonya ni pa ni nro wo mo. Ma woni do. Nido, your love, their future.
This is Adom FM and this is Gary Justice.
And that's the new joint from Pat Thomas. And this one here features Kwame Eugene. Yeah. And the fly to us with their masses here. In the meantime, a happy birthday to you, Mr. Alfred Ison Nazer of Vodafone. A former marketing manager where multimedia. Bosu, happy birthday to you. Yamisha non tron kwandem why. Onye wa kuma so ade ma. Bibia be fine. And then Yami for your life. He worshiped with the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 English Assembly as well. Oyeme elder. And congratulations and come out all the 10 students of hey, we're then Mikabi Unix's Saloon. Debut. Koka Saloons are the institute. The T Unix's now. And a saloon bumped. So congrats to all the 10 students of Mikabi Unisex Fashion Institute. More graduated this Friday, the 26th of February, was Shaman official time. I ask for God's blessings over your life, and may you go to the world to flourish in Jesus' name. From the CEO, Mrs. Abigail Akpalu, and husband, Mr. Michael Akpalu. Forwarded by Pastor Matthew Ochre. Sister Mr. Sandy be a guy.
Now before that,
Hey.
in trouble, you know.
Oh, today's
It's Wednesday, you know what
Thursday.
I'm saying? Like, I told you I was
sorry,
bringing to
it's Wednesday. So okay, no,
White
no.
Wednesday,
I
English
got
Wednesday.
it. I got it. So
White Wednesday,
English Wednesday. I got you,
It's your
baby.
Sunday.
I
You
got
ain't
you,
supposed to
baby.
forget.
So we need to spit some English. You know what I'm saying? All right, so. All right, so guys, give us a call now.
Yeah.
0302 216 561 0302 216 562.
Ooh,
Call us
you
now.
know something?
What?
You know something?
I don't know.
Okay, I just want to keep the T silent, so you know something?
You got to tell me.
You
Somebody's on the line already? Okay, so let's.
This person is a real gossip. I like it.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hello. What's your name?
Beyonce.
Oh, Beyonce. Okay. What's up? What's up with you, Beyonce? You want to say what?
I want to Alligated.
You want to come to Alligated?
Yes.
Okay, call Papa Bills. Call Papa Bills right now. Call Papa Bills right now. Call Papa Bills right now.
It's not called Beyonce.
Yes, as a man can see Beyonce.
Remis.
Yes. Let's move on to our next caller.
You know,
Hello.
before I came, I didn't know what you were wearing.
Okay.
This girl who likes you a lot, makeup room.
Yeah.
Lizzie.
Okay.
She told me what you were wearing.
Oh, okay.
And she doesn't lie. I came and I honestly love what you're wearing.
So you mean she saw me earlier?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
was like, "Badger, you see a finny can no shanatadi. Okay, you Wednesday be your chef. I know who I am.
Hey.
I came and one fan, you know.
Oh yeah.
There's Manuel's collection.
Yes. Manuel's collection. You know what I'm saying?
His handwriting is written all over your body. I like it.
That young man is doing
well.
Yeah, he's doing so amazing. Yeah. I'm sure, sir, they do. So I will talk to him.
It's not coming when you are straying.
I will talk to him.
When you are straying.
Manuel's collection. They at Lashibi Committee 17. Yeah. Behind God is Able Supermarket.
What did you say? You said about what?
Lashibi Committee 17.
Behind. You said behind.
Behind.
Jay.
God is Able Supermarket. Yeah.
This shows that when the COVID goes, you really gonna travel. All the traveling English is right in your throat. Jay, today, you know, we went out to ask them about the vaccine thing.
Yeah, whether they are ready for it or not.
Yeah. Listen to this interesting response from a fellow Ghanaian.
Okay.
From a fellow Ghanaian.
Okay.
That's what he said.
Okay.
Now what's a vaccine? No,
Vaccine now, coronavirus vaccine. What's it?
Joking on the street. He said
no, they are oh man,
this is our beloved country.
It is crazy, man.
If I was given better,
well, you'll believe in, you know.
This country is so sweet.
Yeah,
it's so sweet. It's so sweet. So, what? Oh, you just had a good laugh.
Yes,
that's great.
Yes, I did.
That's great. You want to listen to it again?
No, somebody's on the line.
Oh,
yeah. Hello.
Okay, hi.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, Jerry.
Yes, boss. What's the name?
My name is Adom calling from Atamanga.
Okay. Oh, that teacher. How is it?
Oh, cool, my brother.
Okay, so is there something you want us to throw some more light on for you?
Oh, I want to say shout out to you and then Sandy B and God.
Oh, okay. We got you.
I just remembered.
All right.
And then the one lady calling from Atamanga.
Beyonce.
That lady.
What?
Because I wanted to be some fan club for Atamanga for Adom
FM fan club in Asamankasi. Okay, so spearheaded by Dada Ticho and Victoria Broca.
Okay, so let me give you a number to you so that.
Please leave it the producer, Papa Bill is ever ready, you know what I'm saying? Jay, you know, I just remembered the next me don't for car free. And I took the driver's number that I'm gonna give him shout outs.
So what's the driver's name?
I sat in the car. He was like, yes, it's the Sunday near. Oh, me too, Jerry. Oh, it's a privilege. I'm like, yeah. Me Matanaka is a privilege. Also, so he said his name is Emmanuel Lawe, Tets and Kofi. He's at Tema Community 8.
Okay.
And Bethel Methodist Church. Emmanuel Lawe, Tets and Kofi, Tema Community 8.
So today I also went to a shop.
And his wife Linda.
Okay.
Yeah.
I went to a shop.
Okay.
There was this. I even have a meeting with those guys. Some China people, some Chinese guys. There was this guy over there, some Ghanaian.
Yeah.
And then when I was talking, he was like, bro, voice is say Jerry Justice Power. The guy doesn't actually know me. But when I started talking, I was like, Charlie, what voice say Jerry Justice Power? He just mentioned my name like straight. I'm like, oh wow, then I'm lucky. Then I said that. Then I'm lucky. Then he started laughing. I said, why is it? Like, if my boy say Jerry Justice, then I said, Charlie,
you don't go.
He said, yeah. Me too, no pan the boys.
And he finished saying all that before you introduce yourself. Jay, why are you doing that?
So when I was about leaving, after we were done with everything, when I was leaving, I was like, yo man, this is me, this is Jay. Just
not honest. So
the voice the guy was like, no.
Jay, you big out there. Because this is the third time I'm doing a car free, you know what I'm saying? So it's all good. No. It's
oh gosh.
Campaign. And no kind of it's not kind of note you. It's note you. And I think you're doing great out there.
All right, we thank God.
So my last message before I go to our bosses. I mean, good evening to them all. Jay, thank you.
For GTV.
The third, Ukrapehine from Nana Irenchi, the first Mampong, Ukrapem, Apesmakahine. Okay.
But the year no end yet.
Go end.
Don't forget.
You know why? Go end. Not just a BBA. Yeah, to us, Yep.
Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Okay.
Actually, I sorry, so now the new is I can say about to us. So,
I'm with the fella.
Who's with Adom 106.3 FM?
This be the 2010.
Yeah.
Fella.
Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station.
Fella.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, fella. This be the 2010 fella.
A happy
and they come summarize from beginning to
Charlie
Webb, Rastaman, then Jerry Kells.
Okay, so Jack, me pacho Samsung Galaxy S21 series no. Obama de ama onsa e kan bia. De omu no say o wa check dia betimi anya. Free phone cover Galaxy Buds Pro or Live. The most talked about Galaxy Smart Tag, free screen replacement from accidental damage. Any HDP na tibomodia found Jimby now also on sa etimi account there. And also don't forget say fella yetie Vodafone for Adama and yetie fella na Vodafone say no use Vodafone cash now they send this camo bia or Vodafone cash where free untiare. Sounds now use Vodafone cash they send this camo or any other network bia so and also free untiare intimen spend this car e other networks and so abra ye jo charges akese just dial *110# to send cash for free. Ready? Not just say anymore and not year chrono. But my be so. What be your shine? About Charlie, it's about time you shine your hustle. What be your hustle? If shine your hustle and then Obia or no your trotro mate. What advance ya konanim or say or your international coordinator of transportation who determines the financial obligations of clients. What I say, and now both fruit seller no or also the can say. Or no, a major stakeholder in the local food industry who manufactures and distributes